Good morning, y'all. I am on my way to the shop for a client. Y'all, today is weird. Like, it's just really not one of those, like, oh, why is that car going so fast? Their light is still red. Like, it's just not one of them days where I just feel, I don't know, I just feel off today. I really do. And I forgot to put my battery up for my camera last night, and I don't know, it just wasn't a good start to my day at all. And now I'm on my way to work, and I feel like people are driving a little reckless this morning, and I don't like how that feels. But yeah, me and my dad are supposed to go to the gym after my client, and then I need to go and find me these salmon burgers. Like, I don't know where they are, but I haven't seen them anywhere, and I don't want to pay Publix for 4 individual ones when I can get a whole pack of them. They say Sam's has the pack, but I searched online at my Sam's, and they're acting like they don't have them, so I don't know. I really don't know. But like, when I tell you I feel off today, like, I feel off. Like, nothing about today feels good. And I don't like that feeling at all. Oh my gosh. And now they got our side blocked off. They have our side blocked off, which means I gotta park on this side and walk. I wonder if my boyfriend and mama done been up here. Because yeah, this is kind of jacked. This is kind of jacked up. Where you finna park it? Yeah, I figured you needed to back up. Then I need to tell my client to come in like she going to Sam's, so that she can get to the shop, because she's not gonna be able to get to it from over here. She has to go this way. Alright, y'all, I'll talk to y'all later, because I don't know, I'm frustrated today, and I don't like that I'm frustrated today, but I am. Alright, y'all, so I'm leaving the post office now. I went ahead and dropped the mail orders off for the shop, and now I am heading home because I have class in 2.5 hours. And honestly, y'all, I'm real deal, like, I hate to say this, but I'm over being in school. Like, I really am. And I'd rather not be in school. Like, I'd rather, I don't know. I don't know. And it's kind of like getting to me. And I know we just started back, but I'm real deal, like, ready to be done. I anticipated, I don't know, I guess because I kind of pre-planned like how school was gonna work for me, and you know, honestly, you shouldn't try to plan out your life, because it's not gonna go how you plan it. It's not in your plan, it's God's plan. So I mean, maybe I need to get out of it being, you know, what I wanted it to be, because I'd be done with school if it was up to me. Like, done. Like, but FSCJ doesn't allow you to do, FSCJ does not allow you to, let me go ahead and get over, to do the $1,000 test out thing. So like, not $1,000, 1,000-hour test out. Like, at 1,000 hours, I could have tested out. Like, I gotta figure out how to do this working out stuff, because again, I have not worked out today at all, and I was supposed to go with my dad, but I legit just finished working, so that's probably not gonna happen now. Because I mean, what, I got maybe an hour to work out, and then that gives me an hour to come home, take a shower, and be ready for class. Like, it's unrealistic. It's just very unrealistic, and it kind of sucks. Baby, turn, just turn. This car finna run into the back of me, y'all, because this other car just took forever to turn the corner. I'm really just trying to get home. All of a sudden I just feel sick to my stomach, and I don't know why. But I don't know, I'll talk to y'all in a bit. Guys, I just got out of class, and baby is low-key very, very tired. Very, very tired. But I'm about to eat. It's 11 o'clock. There goes my fitness journey. Like, school ruins it every time. I'm so freaking tired, and my body hurts. My mom told me to take some medicine because she think I'm getting sick. It's just cold though. It's cold. But I'm gonna take some medicine anyway. Eat this food, hop in the shower, and go to bed. But I did want to show y'all my food before I throw this out. This is going in that bag too. I did want to show y'all my food before I devour it. I had a Dungeness crab and some crawfish. But yeah, that's my dinner. This is where I leave you all. Have a great night. Be safe and always stay chic.